Enugwu to Aguleri, Anambra East Council area was agog as the traditional ruler Igwe Ejiofor performed his first Ovala festival in grand style. Ovala Njiko Enugwu to Aguleri, as it was tagged, saw the community go in a joyous mood after mourning the late traditional ruler Igwe Emmanuel Obiora recently. Correspondent Amaka Chibuzo Okoye has the report.
The Enugwu came out en masse to promote their rich culture and use the opportunity to pray to their ancestors to bless their land as an agrarian community and their sons and daughters. The Ovala attracted traditional rulers from other communities, especially those from Anambra North and Omabala Aziz, Ndi Chie, Ndi Ojana, members of the ruling council, Ndi Ogonwani, and many other groups. The event got to its peak when Igwe Ejiofor stepped out in his ceremonial royal attire, accompanied by his wife, Mrs. Ifeoma Ejiofor, and his cabinet. They were led by the Igwe as they danced around the arena, exchanging pleasantries with his guests. After the dance, Igwe Ejiofor performed the Kola Nut ritual, where he thanked God for his emergence and for making it possible to host the Ovala, which he said has united Enugwu to be in peace with one another, share uncommon love, and settle all the lingering issues within the town and with neighboring communities. Igwe Ejiofor extolled the present administration for awarding the Aguleri road and provision of electricity, while calling on Orient Refinery to live up to their corporate social responsibility by giving them whatever is due to them as the host community. The chairman of Anambra East Traditional Rulers Council, Igwe Judge Ovala, who is also the traditional ruler of Umuoba, commended Ndi Enugwu for rallying round their traditional ruler and urged them to sustain the support to ensure a successful reign, saying that as an older traditional ruler, it is his responsibility to direct the younger ones on how to get it right and be in peace with their subjects.
Omambalanya na gumagu n'obi ka ị na-eme omambala nweme ka ị na-enwe aṅụrị ahụ eji mara omambala ka ị na-emekọta ife ọnụ eji mara omambala onye kpatara na onye ọbụla bụ onye omambala na-eme ife zie na makabarụ site ebe ahụ n'oge anwe nọ ekwere etu a na-eligwe na kọntaktị ọnwụkwa n'ebe na-eli mperi ka nye aka ka arazie enye ibe na-agụ ọfụma onye agbata na abịa n'oge.
Igwe Ejiofor during the Ovala festival conferred chieftaincy title on some individuals who have distinguished themselves in different spheres of life and have contributed to the development and progress of the community. One of the beneficiaries, Chief Nnamdi Admori Kelly, who served the community as President General, thanked God for the speedy progress and peace recorded in the community and efforts made to have a constitution that will guide the community. The new town executive was inaugurated with Mr. Joseph Odipo as President General. Exhibitions of masquerades, paying homages, and other cultural displays added glamour to the Ovala festival. I am Amaka Chibuzo Okoye, ABS News.